Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a speech and language therapist here at the University of Southampton Auditory Implant Service. I'm going to show you how to link up and use wireless accessories with your processor. I'm going to show you how to connect your CP910 or Nucleus 6 processor with the wireless TV streamer. If you use a Baha, either a Baha 5 superpower processor, which looks like this, a Baha 5 power processor, which looks like this, or a Baha 5 processor, which looks like this, then the system for linking the TV streamer up to your telly is exactly the same, but you won't need to follow the piece about pairing the streamer to the processor. With a Baha, that's done for you automatically by the audiologist. So you can watch this video to learn how to activate the TV streamer, but you won't need to do the pairing piece. So the TV streamer, which looks like this, is a device which is going to send sound plugs into your TV, send sound from the telly wirelessly through to your processor. It means that you can be in the same room as somebody else watching the television and choose to have the sound at a comfortable volume for you, and that won't affect how loud the other person or the other people in the room will want to watch the television. So in order for this to work, you need to pair the wireless TV streamer to the processor. I'll show you how to do that. But then you'll have to plug this little streamer into the back of your TV, and I'll show you how to do that. So before I start pairing them up, I'm just going to turn this processor off by taking the battery off. I'll turn the wireless TV streamer over. You'll see this little button here with a little wireless symbol. That's what we're going to press in order for this to start sending the message out that it's ready to pair with the processor. This needs to be plugged in to work. There's a little charging point there. I'm just going to plug this in. There we go. And then that's going to plug into the wall. Once it's plugged in, you'll see there's a little green light on the front. Now I'm going to connect it to the processor. You only need to pair it once. I'm going to hold down this button here. See, I've got an orange flashing light. And now when I put the battery back on the processor to turn it on, hopefully the two will connect and you'll get a little blue flashing light on the processor to say these two devices are now paired. The cable, I'll move that out of the way. The cable that comes in the box is what will allow you to plug the TV streamer into the connections, usually on the back of your telly. Sometimes there's a little flap that flips down. You'll see a red plug and a white plug that you will just push those into, and that will connect to the TV. If you have a newer TV that has a SCART connection, you'll just plug these little connectors, these little jacks, into this SCART adapter, and then that will plug into the SCART socket at the back of the television. To start picking up the sound from the TV, which will be streaming wirelessly from this device, you will use either the top button on your processor. You'll remember the bottom button there changes the programs. So you're going to press the top button here, and you'll see a little blue light to tell you that the information is now being picked up from the TV streamer. And when you finish listening to that, obviously you'll turn that off again. There we go. Alternatively, you can use your remote assistant. This button on the side here. If you press and hold that, you'll see it says TV receiving. You can adjust the volume on the TV streamer using these buttons to get it to the level which is most comfortable for you. Hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, and it can be a bit tricky, do let us know. We're always happy to help at the University of Southampton Auditory Implant Service.